If you use Cursor AI every day, this simple setting can make a big difference. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the completion sound when the agent finishes responding in Cursor AI. It's a quick tweak, but it can help you stay aware of when your request is done, especially if you're multitasking, switching tabs, or stepping away from your screen for a moment. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Cursor on your computer and look for the gear icon. That gear icon is where you can access Cursor settings, so click it to open the settings menu. Once the settings panel appears, head into the general section. From there, look for notifications. Cursor organizes sound and alert options inside that notifications area, so this is where the setting you need will be located. Inside notifications, find the option labeled completion sound. This is the feature that controls whether you hear a sound when the agent finishes responding. If it's currently turned off, simply toggle it on. As soon as you enable it, Cursor will play a completion sound whenever the agent finishes a response, making it much easier to know when the output is ready without constantly watching the screen. After you toggle it on, you can close the settings and continue using Cursor normally. The change should take effect right away, so the next time the agent finishes responding, you should hear the alert sound. This is especially useful if you're using Cursor while writing code, testing prompts, or waiting on longer AI responses. It's one of those small quality of life settings that can save time and make your workflow feel smoother, and that's all there is to it. Just open Cursor settings, go to General, then Notifications, and toggle on Completion Sound. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Cursor AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.